We're getting close. We've almost covered all of the notes in the bass clef, from low C up to middle C. In our last lesson, we made it from low C up to our guide note F, which sits just below the bottom line of the bass staff. Let's start where we left off and learn one last row of notes, from that guide note F up to bass C. Let's start on guide note F, which can be found hugging up against the bottom line in the bass clef. If we step up from this space to the line right above it, the bottom line of the bass staff, we will have gone up one step. Stepping up from F means that this note must be G. Let's step up again from this line to the very next space. Now we've gone from G up to A. Remember how our music alphabet starts over again after G with A. Now from this space to the line just above it, we step up again, going from A to B. And finally, starting on this line and moving up to the next space, one step higher, we're back at our guide note, bass C. Remember, a good way to memorize bass C is that he likes to pretend he is the third dot in the bass clef. So in this final lesson, we're concentrating on these 5 notes: F, G, A, B, and C. The F and the C are both guide notes that we use to help figure out the other notes. Let's concentrate on just the 3 notes in between. Do you remember what note this is? It's the same distance from both of our guide notes, F and C. But I think it's easier to start with our guide note F and go up, counting forwards through the music alphabet. If we start on F and count 2 steps higher in our music alphabet, we will have landed on A. F, G, A goes this section of the bass staff. And how about this note? It's so close to our guide note bass C. It's just one step below. If we count backwards one step in our music alphabet from C, we will reach the note B. And one last note to test you on. What note is this? To figure it out, let's imagine where our guide note F is, the one that lives just below the bottom line of the bass staff. The note we are trying to name is just one step higher than F. After F comes G. Well done! You've made it through all the lessons covering the notes on the bass clef, from low C up to middle C. But work for a while on memorizing just these 5 notes. Then go back and review all of the notes in the bass clef. If you do even just a little bit of note naming practice each day, you will quickly be able to recognize the notes on the staff just as quickly as you can name the letters of the alphabet. And believe me, learning how to play new songs on your instrument is going to be a lot more fun when you become a fast note reader. Looking for a fun way to practice learning your music notes? Flash Note Derby is an app for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch that can help. Simply select the notes that you wish to work on memorizing, and it's off to the races. Answering correctly pushes your horse forward to the finish line, while wrong answers send you backwards. Afterwards, you can review the notes that you missed and try again. Memorizing notes is boring, but horse races are exciting. Start enjoying your music studies more and get Flash Note Derby today. Available from the App Store or visit learnmynotes.com for more information.